we're going to do some functions. Okay, so we'll create a file, funcs2.rs. I already tried this, so go pretty smooth. Okay, fn main. All right, so we're just going to demonstrate in simple functions, because next we're going to get on a little bit of object orientation here, right? So to declare a function, fn, that's the identifier, and then we'll put add in there. Okay, all right, and this is going to be the variable, and it's going to be of type i32. Okay, that's a 32-bit integer, and then b i32, another 32-bit integer, right? And it's going to return a 32-bit integer. Okay, so all we'll do is a plus b. Okay, whenever in Rust, whenever your last statement is always the statements that's going to return. This is equal to, just this right here is equal to return. You can put this return statement in there. You know what, let's do that just to show. Okay, then we'll go down here, print line, macro, and then we'll put add, and then we'll put 23, let's say 55. Okay, so now we'll compile the usual way. We'll get into cargo, and we'll get into how we use the package manager. But for now, I just wanted to get this done. Give you the option of understanding that there's a straight up, Rust compiler. Okay, so all right, so funcs2. Okay, I'm running on Ubuntu. All right, see it's it comes out to be 78. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to introduce you to generics. Okay, and so fan, we'll put add, and we'll put G for generics. Okay, so I'll put this up here and then I'll explain it to you. Right, there's going to be an error in this code. I'm showing you this for a reason. Okay, so and B. So just wait to the end to copy this down and understand this right here. These are just normal programming concepts. Okay, so A plus B. Okay, so we'll put print line. Okay, yeah, and Rust uses what this called is snake case, right? If you don't use snake case, it's gonna holler at you. It's opinionated about how you do things. So add G. So 54. Let's say 60. I'm just making these numbers up randomly. Okay, this is not gonna compile, and I'll show you why. All right. Okay, can add T to T. Okay, all right. So it knows that this is, this T is a placeholder for whatever type of integer you want it to be, right? So, but Rust has very, very good error reporting. So it's basically telling you what you have to do right here, right? You have to add in add trait to this. Okay, so let's just copy this down. We'll just put it in there like so. Okay, so now this should compile. Let's clear this out. Okay, maybe not. Oh, put an extra one of these. All right, so we got it compiled now. All right, I want to try something. I haven't tried this yet. So let's say to let's say 0.5 and 0.2 over here. Let's see if that works. It doesn't give me out the float or double or whatever, right? But that's basically how you do functions right there. Maybe we'll come back and try to figure out how to do that. All right, from the last video, I was like, okay, we'll try to figure this out. But no, I didn't understand why it didn't work. I had to recompile it, okay? And, you know, now we got this to work here with the you know, with the floating point numbers. So let's go ahead with it. All right, you see that there's 14.6 here, 114.6. All right, I just wanted to clarify that. I didn't want to leave that undone. So yeah, and then you can see down here that you can go back and use regular 32-bit integers, print out 120. So it'll basically give you, you'll be able to add any integers.